let's take a look at a theme park view room here at the Contemporary. Hello, hiya, and yoo-hoo everybody. Today we are staying inside the A-frame, which is the main part of the Contemporary Resort. Let's go ahead and take a look at room 4726. Okay, as we enter into the room and we turn to our right, here is the beautiful bathroom. I really love all of the muted tans and beige colors, and there's lots of chrome as well. Very fitting for this resort, the modern resort. Hello, I know I look a little rough, but it downpoured today at the Magic Kingdom, so I'm a little soaked at the moment. But there is 2 sinks here, a really good sized vanity. I like that there's 2 extra towel racks here, or towel bars here, and there's a whole bunch of storage here on the bottom. This is interesting. I've never seen this kind of tub shower combination in any of the resorts. Usually with this deep of a tub, it would be separate, is what I have seen before, but I'm not mad about it. I really like how there is that really big ledge, and you have the rain shower and the handle. Really nice tub area. And then in this room, how cute is that artwork from The Incredibles? And then this obviously is the toilet room, and that closes off. Whoops. And that closes off with double pocket doors there. A really good sized bathroom. I really like this artwork here of the monorail that's etched into the mirror. The only thing that I would say that I wish that would be different is I wish that it would be like backlit, and I don't think it's supposed to be. I'm not seeing a switch for it, but I still like it. It's really, really cool. Coming out of the bathroom, I'm going to spin around, and this bathroom also is partitioned off with the barn door. Coming out of the bathroom, here on the left-hand side is your wardrobe. You've got your extra pillow and blanket. You have your hair dryer and steamer. Some hangers. I love the Incredibles theme here in the back with all of their costumes hanging. A luggage rack. Forgive my shoes there, I'm trying to dry them. And then some drawers. We got 3 drawers there. A ledge for more luggage or just more of your stuff. So that's definitely a good size. To the right of that cabinet, we have even more storage. So it looks like there's 3 shelves, 2 more drawers, and then your safe. And there's also the full-size mirror. Again, forgive my appearance. To the right of that wardrobe, we have our floating shelf with our ice bucket. I love all of the Incredibles theme. It's really, really cute. You have your Keurig, another ledge, all of your coffee items. And I'm going to assume this is and then the beverage cooler. Again, this is a beverage cooler, not an actual refrigerator. So it only gets cool to 41 degrees. Off of that is a little ledge. I'm going to assume that's to put other items. That's what I have there are my different items, my owner's locker and my luggage. And then there's a little end table next to the couch with the little pull-out ottoman. I'll show you that in just a minute. But coming into the room, like I said, I really love the muted colors. It's very modern. People have said in reviews that I have seen that they don't really like this theme. It's just kind of boring and bland to them. I think it works really well for the contemporary. But we have the 2 queen-size beds. There are plugs and outlets there for our charging needs. And these little ledges here act as nightstands, very modern. You have the reading lights there. I really like this leather headboard that goes all the way across the wall there, so it joins the 2 in the middle. I think that's really cool looking, and I like this little angled artwork here too. There's the thermostat. It only goes to 68 degrees. There's a good amount of storage underneath both of the beds, so you can definitely put a bunch of luggage underneath there. In between the 2 beds here, there is a nightstand, and I love the different artwork that's inside there. I think that's really cute, but it is definitely a deep drawer, so that will work for storage. And then there is more storage underneath there as well. You could probably put some kids' luggage underneath there. More charging. And look at this lamp. How cool is that artwork that's there? It's of the monorail that is in the Incredibles movies. Just really cool. Our second bed. We have Edna on that pillow. And then Frozone on that pillow. Again, with storage underneath. Across from the bed, we have our TV wall. Look at that fun mask artwork that's there behind the TV. You have this funky little table here. And this nice size sofa. And then this part right here will be what folds down into like the twin size bed so that this room can actually sleep 5. So I'll show you what that looks like in just a few minutes. You have this cool little lamp that's right there, and then another ledge that has the Hey Disney on it. You can't really see that on camera, I don't think, but there are some cute, incredible curtains in here. And you see, you can kind of see them in the drapery. Really cute. And this is a theme park view. And you can see Cinderella's castle right there. I'm going to open up the door. It did just downpour, so I'm probably not going to go all the way out there. But this is a theme park view. You can hear the train from here. And we can explore that more later on when it dries up a little bit. But definitely cool to see Cinderella's castle from your balcony or from the couch. I can see myself tomorrow morning having coffee and just enjoying all of the sights and sounds of the Magic Kingdom. So that is what the bed looks like when it's pulled down. So definitely room for my kids would be able to sleep there. Not somebody my size, but definitely a child could sleep there. And then there's that ottoman that pulls out. So this is what the sleeping arrangement would look like. There's still more than enough room to move around. I think it's a really nice room. Well, that's going to do it for this room tour of a theme park view room here at the Contemporary. Have you stayed at this resort? What did you think of the rooms? Did you think they were too boring? Did you like the Incredibles theming? Do you think it fits well with the modern aesthetic of the Contemporary? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you stayed in a theme park view room and if you thought that it was worth the extra cost to have Magic Kingdom as the backdrop as you walk out the balcony. I think it's pretty cool. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more room tours as we go around the different resorts here at Walt Disney World. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and I will see you real soon, friends. Bye-bye.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.